Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to use extrusion in Salome. So I have just opened Salome. So I'm just going to create any sketch. Circle I'm just creating. Axis YZ. I'm just giving default value 100. Just apply and close. Now I have created a circle. Now we'll build a surface to this circle. Now just go to new entity, build surface, just apply and close. Now we have generated the surface. Then we'll go for extrusion. So go to new entity. There is an option called generation. The first one is extrusion. There are different options there. We will see one by one. Now we'll see extrusion. In extrusion, the first one is normal extrusion. So choose base as a face, vector in which direction. That means normal to direction, normal to the surface. Now normal to the surface is OZ. Here you can see OZ. You can choose O. So first choose base as a face, then go to vector, choose OZ. Here we can specify height. Initially it will go positive direction. Whatever the value we are specifying, it will go positive direction. Example, I am specifying 500 means it will go 500 extrusion. So it is generating a cylinder. The surface becomes cylinder. Example, I want to change the direction. Negative direction means reverse. By clicking reverse, it will go minus value. Instead, we can specify value in minus also. And there is one more option is called as both direction. So you just click this both direction. What it will do, whatever the value we are specifying here, that value will be extruded in both the direction. So that is extrusion. So I just hunting it. There is one more option is called as scale the face opposite to the face. For example, reverse. Apply and close. I have generated this cylinder in both the direction. Now we can extrude by using this face also. For that we can go for new entity, explode. There is an option called explode. So it has cell, face, wire, edge and vertex. This geometry having these subshapes. Any subshapes we can take it out. I just want to face. Select the select subfaces. This space I want to take it out and apply and close. Now see, this surface I have taken out. So by using this surface also I can extrude it. Just go to new entity, groups, generation, extrusion. Phase 2 I am taken, vector is OZ. Now from that also we can extrude. So positive goes negative. Just apply and close. Now there is here one extrusion and there is one more extrusion here. And we can see one more option called, just go to this side. I will take one more surface, new entity, explode, face. This surface I'm just going to take face. It has taken extrusion to yes. So I choose extrusion 1, go to explode, face. Now we can choose it. So this surface, apply and close. Now we got phase 3. Now select this phase 3 and go to new entity, generation, extrusion. So now we have seen both the direction, reverse also. Now we'll see how to scale the face opposite to the base. So what it will do, it will scale the face opposite to the direction. For example, base is a phase 3. Vector is OZ. Now we can scale. Here it is diameter of 100 means if I am giving a scale factor 2 means here the diameter is 200. That is the way we can scale it. Example, I am giving length of 500. This way also we can scale it. This way also we can extrude. This is multiplication factor, that's scale factor. We can reduce also by giving 0.1, 0.5, that means divide by 2. Here its diameter is 100 means here its diameter will come around 50. Similarly, we can 3 times, 4 times we can scale the opposite face and we can extrude. Only thing is it will go only the linearly. So this is the way we can extrude. Now in this tutorial we have learned how to use extrusion in using reverse both the direction and scale the face opposite to the base. In next tutorial we will see in another tools. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.